Hey guys, kamusta kayo? Magandang hapon sa lahat. So, today's Sunday and uh, let's have a back testing. Okay. Alright. Hindi pala nakaano yung audio. So, ginagawa natin ngayon is nagba-backtest tayo sa Nasdaq gamit ang NinjaTrader platform. So, maybe sa susunod na mga video natin, papakita ko sa inyo paano i-navigate yung NinjaTrader. Kasi kadalasan pag mga forex trader, yung ginagamit natin is MT4 and MT5, and maybe if you want to explore future trading, you can use NinjaTrader platform, which is the popular platform if you are somebody who wanted to trade on future trading. I've heard this NinjaTrader on my colleague when I working on a forex broker, because he is a future trader and our educator on the broker. So hindi ko naman na-explore na ngayon lang to, kasi I was given an opportunity to work on a future trading company or algo company. So
Order filled.
My work here
Target
is
filled.
backtest on the technical side of the company. So every day or every weekend, we do backtest to see the
Target
result
filled.
of the past few weeks for the performance of the algo on trading specific time on the Nasdaq. So maybe sa susunod na mga video ipapakita ko sa inyo, no? And maybe I can show you opportunity, especially trading with algo. Because algo has no emotion. It's trading based on the conditions that was set on the bot. Dami na kayo nagka-try mag-algo. Kaso nga lang, madami nasusunugan. You can give a try naman. Marami namang mga available dyan, no? Ng mga EAs, bot on Forex, but maybe you can also try
Target filled.
trading futures. I mean, using this bot, and a lot of trader already have pass from company using the algo. And kasi ngayon sa AI era na tayo, hindi naman sa sinabing hindi na kayo mag-manual, kasi personal preference ko pa rin mag-manual trading pero if there's an opportunity that you can use an algo trading, why not, diba? Like, you have two system already, the manual and using AI. So the company that's working is based on Singapore, and this is a good experience, especially if you are in trading industry, exploring opportunities and exploring different kinds of ways, system and earning through trading, not just in forex but as well as futures, stocks, crypto. Marami na ngayon, kaya
Order filled.
kayong tumigil sa paghahanap. Meron ding
Target
opportunity
filled.
na para sa inyo. And I mean, aside from trading personally, ginagawa ko to para syempre may pambayad din sa bills. para hindi na mag-worry kung saan ako kukuha. Kasi pag wala kang stable income, no, trading lang yung asa. Okay lang naman, pero syempre sa trading may mga drawdown, weeks, months, even months, no? So, paano yung babayaran mo ng mga due date? Paano yung mga babayaran mo na mga expenses, daily expenses, lalo na kung kayo ay may pamilya, may asawa, may baby. So, I make sure that you have a stable income, that you have a business, you have a job, and yeah, yung sa trading,
Order
bonus
filled.
na lang yun, no?
Stop
Minsan
filled.
yung kikitain natin sa trading, mas
Order
malaki pa sa
filled. Stop
monthly
filled.
income natin. Pero, okay lang yun kasi syempre hindi naman araw-araw paldo-paldo. O hindi naman every month paldo-paldo. May mga months talaga na drawdown. Tsaka walang income. Kaya pag ganun mangyari, syempre for sure masisira yung psychology natin. And we are trading now, driven by our emotion. Andun na yung pressure, andun na yung anxiety, yung fear of losing. You cannot afford to lose the
Target
trade.
filled.
Siyempre may inaabang kang araw na kailangan mong magbayad. And yeah, masisira at mas lalong malaking problema yun sa trading career. Kaya ma-advise ko, wag mo nang mag-quit full sa job niya or business niya. Okay pa, hanapin nyo muna yung edge nyo sa trading. May sure na
Target
mag-survive
filled.
kayo for months or years. Na kahit hindi kayo kumita for the first 6 months, meron pa rin kayong mabubuhay pa rin kayo. Or even, siguro, longer. Kung meron pa kayong malaking pondo, mas better. Okay. So, yun lang naman, no? Maybe sa susunod ng mga video, papakita ko sa inyo yung Ninja Trader no sa Dalgo. Okay? I think that's all for this video. So, yeah. Bukas, open naman yung market. Kita-kits tayo sa market. Trading Forex naman tayo. See you on the next vlog. Bye-bye.